Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So we are here on the daily time frame, and I wanted to take a moment to take a look at the bigger picture here together with you because I have added here a little bit more data, or let's say rather a roadmap to this chart so everybody understands where things could be going. This is very temporary at the moment, this structure here that points us towards $5,000 plus. Because we need to see if the market can generate a 5-wave move to the upside, okay? That would be the next objective for the bulls. So I would not rule out a very direct move to the upside, okay? I kind of don't really have a very good feeling about this stretched out 5-wave move to the upside there. It is very much possible that the 1-2 setup already formed here. Okay, I just want to say that because that happens very often in crypto, and we're just breaking out in a very, very long third wave to the upside. This is something that happens very, very often. So if we get another 5-wave move up, then I will, of course, add support for wave 2. But I would not necessarily rely on another 1-2 setup to form. Yeah, we had here on this chart basically the equivalent of a 1-2 setup, which is a bit more messy, which is called an A-B setup. We had the A wave to the upside and the B wave pullback, and now we might have started the C wave up, which, to be honest, should just be a 5-wave move. So maybe we're just forming what you can see here, 5 waves up like that. And typically the wave 4 is a bit boring, so maybe it takes us higher like that. But if I see at any point a 5-wave move up, I will, of course, let you know. For now, what is just important here on the daily time frame is to understand that while the yellow scenario, which means, I'm just saying here, another deeper pullback in wave B has become less likely, it is still possible, because what we have done here, I would not call that necessarily a decisive break above a key level. So we have not really decisively broken above the June high here, to be exact, around about 2,880, Okay, we have a break above, we had daily candle close. Yeah, it starts to look like that. It starts to look like a sustained break, but it is not high enough to rule out that this is just part of yellow wave B, for example. Doesn't mean that has to happen, doesn't mean that I expect it. It just means we have to be prepared for it, and it could turn into something like this. Okay, so just another test of support, which is the main reason why I leave the support area here on the daily chart for now unchanged. Now let us take a look at the shorter time frame for Ethereum as well. And I need to switch colors here, please don't get confused. But here on this time frame, you can see that the move to the upside is, basically a 5-wave move that I'm tracking. So maybe we get another 1-2 setup, but I would not rule out that we see some wild extensions here in the subwaves and we break out very directly, okay? But for now, on the smaller time frame, it's just important to understand that this wave count is not an absolute prediction. It just helps us to understand what are the relevant support levels and what is the first support level that can lead to another upside reversal. I mean, we're currently coming down here a little bit, okay? We had a break here above the 11th of June high, and this level, this breakout point, 2,880 could serve as some support as well. So you might remember from last couple of days I mentioned maybe we get a wave 4 weekend. We had quite a nice rally into the Friday high, but then typically you would expect on the weekend to unfold a wave forward. Let it see, let's see if the bulls can hold support, basically. That's what happens in these wave 4s. And for now, I think there could be some additional structural support around 2,880, and then we have additional levels at 2,810 and 2,740. So this is micro support, and next resistances would be 3,158 and $3,250. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.